Stop relying on just one AI model to debug your code. Every developer knows that what GPT-4o misses, Claude might catch, and what Claude overlooks, a specialized model like DeepSeek solves instantly. I found the ultimate dashboard that lets you run your code through 30 plus different models at the exact same time. Let's dive into this. This is the Chatbotapp AI, and it's a universal hub giving you instant access to over 30 of the best leading AI models like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, all in one interface. It's designed for technical users and developers who need to write, debug, and document code efficiently. It eliminates the need for multiple high-cost subscriptions by housing all top-tier models under one roof. So you don't have to pay for tons of different subscriptions, and you don't have to switch between a bunch of tabs just to get one result. So let's test this AI and see what it's good at. Here we can see we are in the dashboard and we're going to type a prompt in. First of all, on the top left, we can select the model that we want to use. This houses things like Grok, Claude, Gemini, ChatGPT, and more. Let's go ahead and put some code into this chatbot. We can see we're using GPT-5 Mini for this one, and we can say identify the bug and suggest a fix. Let's just see what GPT-5 Mini comes back with. Now, the platform features a built-in code editor that allows you to review and debug suggestions from multiple models simultaneously. You can currently test the entire technical suite, including the latest developer models, for just $1. So here we can see that GPT has actually come back with an answer here, but we can go ahead and change the model here and actually test that simultaneous model suggestion. So we've got Claude here as well, and then we're going to paste in that code to Claude. You can see that Claude, the icon has actually come up here. So now we're using Claude, not GPT, but we are actually in the same window. Now, I would say that Claude has given a more efficient description of this code and the bug, but let's try DeepSeek v4 as well. Now, the technical accuracy here and the speed of switching between the coding models like DeepSeek and GPT is unmatched. You simply just select it on the drop-down window and you're right there using the correct AI that you want to. Now here we can see a side-by-side comparison, and yes, we can see that Claude has given a pretty decent suggestion and description here, but if we go over to DeepSeek, we can see that it's actually done a slightly better job here when it comes to the output, and we would have never known this if we weren't using this platform. This is a great way to future-proof your workflow. You get immediate access to the newest releases like GPT-5 and the latest Claude versions as soon as they launch. There's also no upgrade fees or premium tiers, and the latest technical updates are always included in your existing plan. We can just see here as we scroll through, there are tons of different models that we can choose from, and there's popular ones and different styles for different niches too. So depending on the workflow that you're doing, you can actually just pick the right model all in the same window without having to switch tabs or pay different subscriptions. This ensures your development environment is always running on the bleeding edge of AI. It's also worth noting that this is available on mobile too. So if you're out and about, you can use this very easily. There isn't a native app. You simply just use the web interface, and it's fully optimized for complex coding tasks on any device. Now, if we look at the subscriptions here, we can see that there is a free version, a pro version, and an ultra pro version. And we can see we get quite a lot done here on the free version, but if we were to pay just $20, we're going to get access to GPT, Anthropic Cloud models, Google Gemini, Grok, and DeepSeek. And if you want to go a step further, you can actually see that, yes, you are going to get access to a lot more features if you pay the $40 per month version. Now, if we compare that with ChatGPT, Grok, Claude, I mean, your subscriptions will probably run you up over the $100 mark. So having access to all of them in one place for cheaper just makes sense to me. So upgrade your development game without the massive overhead. Click the link in the description right now to start your $1 trial for the Chatbotapp AI and put 30 plus models to work on your code today. That's going to be it from me. I will see you guys in the next video.